There's one right there. They're coming up. I think they're staging. They just ain't quite there yet. See, look, there's one just took off from right there. Tell you what I'm gonna do. Well, I'm gonna try to catch this. That fish is laying right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cast past that moss right there. Where the two like separate things of moss are. I'm gonna cast past it. I'm gonna work it back this way and see if I can get a strike. If I can't the first time, I'm gonna pitch it back in there with this Bass Munitions beaver. And try to work this thing right past that. See if I can get my first topwater bite. I'm going to follow this up, like I said, by the Bass Munitions beaver, just to see if I can get that old girl to bite. Alright. Let's throw this thing right here out there. Fix it weedless. This thing about had it. This old thing right here has caught several bass with us. It's about shot. Alright, let's see what we can do with this thing. Move down just a little bit here. See if we can pick up something down here. That one got it. Got one, got it. I didn't even feel it hit it. Woohoo! Pretty decent one, not bad. Not bad. First bass of the day. Pretty little thing, little chunky thing. Look how chunky that thing is. Getting a little belly on her. Look how chunky that little thing is. Wow. Pretty bass. Little stocky thing. Alright, that was fun. I enjoyed that. I never felt that fish. Not one time did I ever feel that fish. But I'm going to tell you something that helped me with that fish. I really think the scents in this bait, this Bass Munitions bait, they put the scents they bake in this bait. Now, I'm not trying to sell the product. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to sell it. But I think that helps. I really think that the scents they put in this bait helps hold that fish a little bit longer. One thing about working these things weightless is sometimes you don't even feel them pick them up. All you do, you might pull up a little bit and feel a little bit of weight, and you'll see your line start to go from to the right or the left. So you got to pay attention to working these things. Sometimes it's not just always a thump thump. Sometimes it's really light, or either just nothing. I mean, you just pick up your line, might feel a little bit of weight. And I mean, this ain't just working this particular bait. This is working every weightless bait I've come across. It's going to be the same exact way. Sometimes you're going to feel it. Sometimes you're not. There he is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I broke the line. That was like, that thing hit it and it just didn't even move. think there's a bed right over there. There's a little nook right there. Something tapped it. Something tapped it, but it didn't. I'm trying to pick these bass up off the bed. There it is. Finally. Woo! That little joker finally got a hold of it. It's a little small one. He's a little fighter though. Ooh, he got some torque to him. Not as small as I thought he was. Come here, old boy. Come here, old boy. Yeah, you got some fight in you, buddy. You got some fight in you. Look at that. That's pretty fun. I knew he was there. He was laying right over there. I knew it was. Because he hit it. He hit it the cast right before that. He hit it. So I knew he was there. Just getting the rascal to bite. Again. And he did. He come and picked it right back up. I think there's a bed right there. I let him have it just a little bit longer that time just to make sure I got the hook set. But once I seen my line start going over to the right, I knew I could set the hook then. I'm gonna try to just work this bank right up through here to see if I can pick off another one. So if there's a bed through there, I can't see down this water, but if there's a bed down in there, I might pull it into that bed, because there's very little visibility down this water. It's just not clear enough. If I can work this edge and pull it across a bed, potential bed, then might be able to get a bass to pick it up. That's, you know, trying to get it out of its bed. That's kind of what my thinking is. I love working weightless worms, jigs, anything plastic. I love working it weightless. Pond fishing. I'm more of a power fisherman when I go to the lake. But pond fishing, I get a whole lot more fish to strike working these things weightless. Pick up a whole lot more bites that way.